Hey everybody, welcome back to another walkthrough by MarineMax. My name's Adam. Today we're walking through a 2021 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. Starting back here at the transom of the deck, first thing you notice throughout this boat is going to be the sea deck platform. All right, all this is snap-on throughout. Take it out for easy removability. Right here you got triple Mercury 250 engines, outboards, big strong V8s are going to power this big beast. All right, back here on the front side of the transom, first storage compartment you're going to find, pop right up here. All your shore power is going to be right inside here with your battery switches, easy access. So as you're getting on and off the boat, you always have power. Next, you'll notice throughout the boat, it's all A-side finishes. All right, a lot of these hatches here are gas strut assisted. So you'll notice as you put them up, you don't have to hold them up. They're going to stay right there. They're not going to fall down on your head. All right. Back down here, latch that nice and tight. This one of my favorite parts of the boat. Everybody's always going around trying to find storage for your fenders and lines. Not anymore. Because you have the outboards here, it gives you all this open space. Many fenders you can fit in here. All your lines, if you have a stern anchor, water sports, anything like that, you dump right in here. Again, A-side finish, gas assisted struts, making sure that's not going to fall down on your head. As we latch this back up here, we're going to go back into the boat. All right. As we walk in, you'll notice a Fusion audio control back here, freshwater wash down, and a door here to keep all the pets inside. Now, once we get up in here, there's a ton of space. You really can't go wrong with the Dancer series, right? Nice big L-shaped couch going from the transom all the way up here on the port side. This table is an actual adjustable table, right? Right now it's in the down position. When it's down there, you're gonna actually turn this into a full lounge pad. You put that right on there, everybody's hanging out. You don't miss anything from not having a sun pad back there. If you look up above, you'll notice we're pretty covered from the sun here. That's your optional sunshade. It does fully extend, so you got plenty of shade on those real hot days. If it's raining out, just a light drizzle, you're hanging out, entertaining, you'll make sure you're covered from the elements there. Cup holders are throughout. All right. As we move to the starboard side here, you notice you get a nice big wet bar setup. Right. Big cool summer grill. Right in here, it's the Kenyan series. Right. So everything in there, got a tray underneath, so you're not worried about spillage. Swap that out. Put the next one in. Easy maintenance there. Right here, you got a sink. Nice cover. If you're washing up, you want to wash away some glasses before you put them back downstairs. Everything's easy, nice and tight. All right. Underneath here, you got a big slide out fridge. Plenty of room for all your drinks, beverages, whether they're Capri Suns to beers and wine, you'll be right here. As well as a dedicated trash bin. No more trash all over the boat. Pop it right in there. Trash can slides right out. Easy care, easy maintenance. As we move up towards the helm of the boat, first thing you'll notice is this big portside lounger, right? This right here, pretty easy. Pop it up, slide it back. Now you have a bow facing seat. So if you guys are underway, you want to enjoy the view, let somebody else drive, you're hanging out right down here. Looking over at the helm of the boat, in this particular one, you'll notice we have dual Simrad screens, Fusion audio control, cup holders to each side of the helm, nice leather wrapped dash here. It's going to stop the glare from getting in your eyes. All right. If we look over here, you have all your dual Mercury controls, fly-by-wire, throttles here with the joystick. The joystick, you want to learn how to drive a boat, you don't even have to know how to do it. You come in here, it's literally like playing a video game. Up, forward, port, starboard, spinning it, quick, easy controls. Now, with that, you also get what's called Skyhook. Skyhook, it's basically a digital anchor. You put that feature on, it'll keep you within a 10-foot radius. So if you guys are hanging out, you're sitting in the river, sitting in a current, waiting for gas, anything you can imagine, Skyhook is the answer, right? You pop that right in there, it really takes all the ease of putting the anchor up and down and making sure, you know, you're in there tight. Keep in mind, you can't use that while you're swimming, All right, just a big FYI, big safety thing, because the props are actually still running. You want to make sure that you're at least not swimming when you're doing that. Otherwise, it's the answer for everything. Before we go downstairs, I'm going to take you to the bow, right? Plenty of seating up front. Nice walk through here. As we walk up, real quick, Eddie, I want to show you this. This is where the difference comes in design, right? So when this isn't covered, all your water would typically run right down here, come right into the cockpit. This is actually a drain. It takes the water, puts it right out the side of the boat, so the water doesn't come back in, ruin everything you got back there. Love that kind of stuff, all right? Up here, big lounge pad. You wanna hang out, you wanna get some sun, this is the place you do it. Flip down armrests, another Fusion audio control, so if you're hanging out, you hate the song that somebody else put on, you're changing it. You love the song that somebody else put on, you're turning it up, all right? Plenty of speakers up front, full audio system everywhere throughout the boat, right? Windlass system is up here. Drop down anchor, you do have a remote control down there, so if it's just you on the boat, you come up, drop the anchor, all right? There is another option at the helm, so if you're at the helm, same thing, up, down, right there at the flip of a switch. Let's go back downstairs, and I'm gonna show you the cabin of the boat. We'll walk through that real quick. So as big as this door looks, nice, easy sliding, right? Beautiful flooring steps to come down in here. And you'll notice the first thing you see here is that big berth, right? Full beam berth up front. It's in the down position right now, right? So in that triangular pad, let me get down there and show you real quick. If you're not sleeping, you're down here entertaining, this pops right up. And this table will actually come up to a full height table, right? So with that there, you get the AC running, you want to get out of the sun, right down here is the answer, all right? Over here, you have another fridge. Back here with an ice maker, you have a microwave and plenty of storage underneath. If we look towards the transom part of the boat, underneath here, you have another full bed. Now, that bed is actually gonna split. You can see it's about halfway pulled out now. If you pull that all the way over, it's gonna make one full-size queen bed. All right, leave it as it is. You got two twin-size beds. Let's pop into the bathroom here. This, folks, is what's called a wet head. So with that, it means it's be used as a bathroom, full sink, but that faucet over there on the left actually comes up, mounts on the wall, and you can actually shower in here as well. All right, you'll notice that drain in the back corner. Storage underneath the sink, above the sink, for all your toiletries, should be good to go. All right. As we walk back up here, you'll notice the big subwoofer for the Fusion audio system. The Fusion audio system is all Bluetooth, satellite radio ready. Everything is good to go on there. You'll be cranking tunes people will hear from the other side of the water. No problem. Listen, this is a great walkthrough, beautiful boat, one of my personal favorites. You get any questions about this boat, any other boat in MarineMax's inventory, I want you to give me a call. My name's Adam. My phone number is 781-635-8684. Thanks for watching the walkthrough with us today. I'll see you next time.